Hey guys, so I'm getting a quick protein on the table for dinner, and here is what I'm making. I have this beautiful salmon. I'm gonna whip up a pesto, top the pesto on the salmon, throw it in the oven for 10 minutes. Protein done. Okay, let's whip up our pesto. Super easy. 2 cups of basil leaves, third of a cup of pine nuts, third of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and half a lemon. Okay, great. So let's get this all food processored up. So I'm gonna mix this first, and then I'm gonna add in the olive oil, and it gets all nice and emulsified. So if you're using a food processor, be careful. They are dangerous, so be careful. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it run, and then while it's running, I'm gonna pour in a third of a cup of olive oil. Okay, let's scrape the sides one more time, and then we're gonna put on our salmon. I love fresh pesto. You guys could totally store-buy pesto as well. It's just so easy that something like this, I just whip it up. And then any leftover, use it in eggs, put it on sandwiches. Oh my gosh, yummy. Okay, great. Let's top our salmon. So with my salmon, the first thing I'm gonna do, olive oil and a little bit of salt. So I just kind of massage it on there around all the sides. And then a little bit of salt on top, and then we're gonna top it with the pesto. And we're gonna pop it into a 400-degree oven. These are kind of thin fillets. I'm gonna check it after 8 minutes. Okay, salt. Let's get some of that pesto on there. Oh, it smells so good. I love fresh basil leaves. They're so delicious. You know what? I'm gonna get a couple other spoons so I'm not double dipping salmon into my pesto because I wanna try to save some for other stuff. Okay, number 2. This is so beautiful, wow. And then once this is cooked, serve it with a lemon wedge so that whoever's eating it can also add some lemon to it. Yummy. Clean spoon. Whoa, that looks delicious. Nice and healthy and fresh. But also, pesto is also, it's like so comforting too and satisfying, which is really nice because it really kind of grounds the fish. Yummy. Look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, let's set a timer, 8 minutes. So I actually ended up cooking this for 10 minutes because I didn't think 8 was ready, but now it's great. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it rest. It's gonna continue to cook a little bit more. I'm gonna very gently cover it in foil just like that, and I'm gonna let it chill. It's gonna cook a little bit more, and it's gonna cool slightly. And then dinner is ready. Okay, great, let's taste this. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that looks. I'm just gonna dig into this one. Little lemon spritz. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. That is perfect. Look at how perfect that is. Oh my goodness. That's in Jersey. That is gorgeous. Wow. That's absolutely beautiful. Yay. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. Time to go plate dinner.